which suits the woman and man both. You see, oral is very good. Oral is the best actually in our condition we give, because nowadays the birth pills have come which don't cause overweight, water retention, and they are good to take. You can take for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years. But you see, depends upon the woman. It's a hormonal. Pills have got hormones. So some people can do good with it, some cannot. Because some get a feeling of like pregnancy, nausea, vomiting. Otherwise it's good. And they are, like you want to ask, the best is this, but other contraceptives are like IUCD, which we insert. This we call layman term is a coil, which you insert inside the uterus. This is also for 5 years, 6 years, depends when you want to have the other child. But you know, actually every contraceptive, when you stop it, it takes some time to conceive. It's not immediately you will stop any contraceptive and you will conceive. The thing is that you should better come to doctor, have checkup yearly, 6 monthly, so that your doctor should see that your coil is at place and you are doing good with the pills.